Let me show you how to create such product manipulation using iPhone 16 in Photoshop. Create a new document of 1080 by 1080 pixels. From Adjustment Layer, add Gradient. Follow these settings. Follow these color codes as shown. Make these changes in settings. Press Ctrl+J to make a gradient copy. Right-click and convert it into Smart Object. Press Ctrl+T to free transform. Right-click and select Perspective. Hold Alt key and stretch it till 8 degrees. Again right-click, now select Distort. Hold Shift key and stretch it down till 25 degrees. Backdrop is ready. Now select Gradient Layers and group it. Now select Ellipse tool. Left-click to insert its width and height. Follow these settings. From Properties, keep Fill to white color. Place it accordingly. Using Alt key, make 2 copies of it. For top ellipse, from Properties, keep Fill to black color. Select bottom ellipse. Hold Alt and down key on keyboard to create 77 copies of it. Select 77th copy, then hold Shift key and scroll down to select Ellipse 1 layer. Right-click and convert it into Smart Object. Then from Layer Style, select Gradient Overlay. Follow these color codes. Follow the overall setup. Now select Middle Ellipse layer. Again from Layer Style, select Gradient Overlay and follow the process. Follow these color codes. Select middle ellipse and place it accordingly. Now select top ellipse layer. Decrease its opacity and fill as shown. Drag it below and place it behind the bottom ellipse layer. Press Ctrl+T to free transform and place it accordingly to look like a shadow. From Filter select Blur, then Gaussian Blur. Keep radius to 8.8 pixels. Select bottom ellipse layer and from Layer Style enable Drop Shadow. Follow these settings. Podium is ready. Select all ellipse layer and group it. From File select Place Embedded to add iPhone 16 PNG image. Place it accordingly. Press Ctrl+J to make a copy of it. Press Ctrl+T to free transform. Right-click and select Flip Vertical. Place it accordingly as shown. Add layer mask. Press Ctrl+I to inverse. Select Brush tool. Make sure that foreground color is white. Start brushing to create reflective surface effect. Add new layer. Select Brush tool. Follow the process. Use left and right key to rotate brush. Drag the layer below. From Filter select Blur, then Gaussian Blur. Keep radius to 12.5 pixels. Select iPhone layer. Add new layer and create clipping mask. Select Brush tool and start brushing on bottom edges to create shadow effect. Select iPhone layer. From Adjustment layer, add exposure. Follow these settings. Press Ctrl+I to inverse. Select brush tool, make sure foreground color is white and start brushing on top edges of phone to create glow effect. iPhone 16 product is ready. Select all layers using Shift key and group it. From File, select Place Embedded to add light rays image. Place it accordingly. Decrease opacity to adjust its placement. From blend mode, select color dodge. Add layer mask. Select brush tool and start brushing on unwanted portions. Light effect is ready. Press Ctrl+G to group it. Press Ctrl+Alt+Shift+E to create merged layer. From filters, select Camera Raw filter. Follow these settings, or you can try your own settings as you wish. You can follow these settings. Lastly, add Apple logo and text. Keep text height to 16. I am using Helene demo font. Place the logo and text accordingly. Select text and logo layer, right-click and link layers. From blend mode, select overlay. Finally, select remaining layers and group it. That's it for today. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel and let me know in comments. Also, don't forget to check out my other product manipulation tutorials. Thank you.